This is the Sansui SC-5110 cassette deck. It's a late 1970s model, and this one was built in 1978. It's a full logic control deck with some standard functions such as memory, autoplay, auto repeat, timer record, timer play, and the Sansui specific tape lead-in function. Classic needle view meters, selectable bias, equalizer, normal chromium dioxide and ferric chromium tape formulation. You can select Dolby FM and Dolby noise reduction, also a limiter control is available. Other than that, you can adjust the microphone and the line input levels and the general output level. This deck is pending restoration. It sounds a bit like an old farm diesel engine. I bet it requires some oil on the capstan bearing. But I think it would make a nice addition to my studio. Let's try to play this tape. Yeah, as you can see, it sounds good. It works okay given its age, and the fact that it has the original pinch roller and the original bells. I recorded the tape between -10 and -5 dB with peaks to -3. The recording machine was a Sony 850ES deck, which I normally use for my home recordings. This low recording level is something that I'm used to because most of the cassettes that I use are BASF or BASF, pure chromium dioxide. And these one generally require a lower recording level. Otherwise they will simply distort the signal. Thus, I tend to record ferric oxide tapes with quasi-similar settings. Yeah, some of you might recognize this tune. It's from an old game. But nevertheless, I really enjoyed it back in the late 90s, 1998, 1999 I think. And I spent some time recording the track directly from the game itself. I think the composer for this was Zach Bellica. Hopefully I'm not mistaken. Okay, so you get the point. Other than that, this deck has the Sansui direct-o-matic loading system. Just put the tape in, press play, rewind forward, record or whatnot. I think it would require a bit of a head alignment, but I'll have to use the mirror cassette for that, and then the test tape and the oscilloscope. We'll see. Yeah, there you have it. That's a nice deck. Let's stop the tape and power the machine off. I'm thinking of pairing this with the Sansui AU-25200K amplifier that I previously restored last year. They'd make a nice pair for my home studio. That's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.